Hello team, so this is a content writer applications which I'm going to show you. So this is the front end. So your user can easily register yourself here. They need to sign up. So for sign up they need to use email ID for sign up, or they can easily log in as well. By using username and password they can log in. This is the front end. Your user can easily use any template for create any content like ideas, intro, titles, conclusion, article rewrite, article outline. So you just need to select any template or then log in first, then you can use it. So let me log in once with a user ID password. So I will show you what features we have after the user login. Okay, so this is the wrong user ID password, so I don't worry, I will show you this user panel as well. Okay, so with these templates you can use. Okay, after that we have a many templates, so your user can easily buy any package from you, or with these package they can use your services. So they can check how much words we are providing, how much images we are providing, like that. Or in this we are providing AI chat, yes and no, hi there's we can provide or not, like that. So here you can set up your testimonials, recent blogs and etc. Now let me show you the admin panel as well. After that it will help you what features we have. So this is the admin panel's dashboard. So here you can check to how much words we use, how much images we use, how much users we have, or how much incomes, words, how much use has done, and other things. After that, templates. So you can check these templates which we already created for demo, or you can this is a live template. So user can easily use these templates for creating any content. You can set up multiple template. You can set up your own template, what template you want to add, or that template which you had created, that template data will come here. After that you can set up your category, templates category you can set up, so your user can easily search template by selecting any category. After that, if any users create any document, then that data will come here. AI images data will come here. After that, members. So here you can check your plans. You can set up any settings. So you can change here. You can check upgrade data, cron job, or you can set up here taxes. If you want to add any text, then you can create taxes multiple here. After that, all types of transaction you can check. All types of withdrawal data you can check it here. Email template or email notification you can check, or you can set up multiple template or content. After that we have a languages. So here you can set up multiple languages. You can add it, you can delete, or you can add it file text. Okay, so this is the languages. So you can set up or you can create multiple languages as well. After that we have a currency. So here you can set up multiple currency. You can create multiple, you can add it or delete. After that, time zones we have. So here you can set up multiple time zones. Advertising. So here you can set up your ads. You just need to create edit option, or you can just add your code. So that ad will be live on your website. Here you can set up your blogs. So you can check how much blogs we already live. So that data will come here. You can create multiple. You can check the blog category and comments. After that we have multiple pages, so you can set up multiple own pages. From this page will say live on our front end. Okay, so here you can set up your testimonials. After the FAQ we have, this is the user panel. So here you can check user data. I will show you the user login as well. You can check edit delete options we have. You can check admins data. You can set up multiple admin as well. After that you can check your subscriber data, API key. So you can set up API here. You just need to select which type of we are using, like OpenAI or Stable Diffusion we are using. You just need to add your API key, then it will be live. You just need to set up only key here, then it will be work. Let me show you other settings as well shortly. Okay, if you want to change theme, update and all, you can manage. This is some settings. So here you can set up your maintenance mode, disable landing page, so you can remove that page as well. So members plan, if one user means default membership plan. So whenever user register, so that plan will be assign to them. Cron job runtime, so hide verify email and all. You can set up other things. Here you can check map, so you can set up Google Map APIs for that. International first, you can set up your time zones and currency. Here you can set up your SMT for a mail. Here you can set up your themes. This is the AI settings. We are using Ada, Babbage, the Curry, DaVinci we are using, ChatGPT we are using. You which types of which models you want to use. You just need to select any model and you just need to add key, then it will be work. API key. So which API you use for that, language and all, you can manage that. We have affiliate program, live chat we have, so you can set up live chat. Billing details, so you can set up billing details. Here you can set up your social login like Facebook login and Google login, you can set up that. Google capture, testimonial settings, so you can set up these all things here. Okay, so let me show you a user login as well, so which help you what data come in user side. Let me log in. Yeah, login is done. Sorry for delay, but you can check dashboard how much bus we have, how much we had used, images, speech to text and all. Here you can check your own documents. Here you can check all AI images. Here you can check templates. So if I open any template, that types of fields come. Here you can set up like what is your about, language, quality type and all. So you just need to generate, then it will be generate here. Here you can check your AI images, so you can set up AI chat we have, so you can AI chat, you can manage that, speech to text, AI code. After that we have affiliate program, membership, so you can change your plans, transaction and all. So this is the user panel. If you have any query, then you can connect with us. We will try to help you and we will give you a live demo as well. Thank you.